In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a Godaddy website in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to experiment with a new layout without affecting your current design, or you're crafting a similar page with just a few tweaks, duplicating a page on your Godaddy website can be a straightforward task. I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you can follow along with ease. To start off, the first thing you'll need to do is access your Godaddy account. Head over to the Godaddy website and look for the Sign In button. It's typically located in the upper right corner of the home page. A click on this button will lead you to the login page, where you will be prompted to enter your credentials. This is where you'll type in your username and password. Make sure you enter these details correctly to avoid any login issues. After inputting your credentials, hit the Sign In button once again to access your account. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll be directed to your Godaddy dashboard. This is where the magic happens. From the dashboard, you should find an option labeled Website, or something similar that indicates it will take you to your website management area. Click on this to proceed. Within your website management area, you'll find an option or a button that says Edit Website. This is your gateway to making changes to your site, including duplicating pages. Clicking on this will take you to your website editor, a visual interface where you can see your website's layout and content. Now this is where it gets a bit more specific. In the website editor, you need to look for the website tab. This might be represented as an icon or a direct link depending on your layout. Once you find this tab, click on it. This action will take you deeper into your website structure, where you can manage and edit specific pages of your site. With the website tab open, it's time to find the page you wish to duplicate. Once you've navigated to this page, look for the gear icon. This icon usually indicates settings or more options. The gear icon may be located near the top, side, or bottom of the page, depending on your website's design or the editor's layout. Clicking on this icon will reveal additional options or settings related to the page you're on. Among the options that appear after clicking the gear icon, you'll find Duplicate Page. This is the option you've been looking for. Click on Duplicate Page to initiate the duplication process. What happens next is a near instantaneous creation of a carbon copy of the page you are on. This duplicated page will have all the content and design elements of the original, but it will be a completely separate entity that you can edit and tweak to your heart's content. Duplicating a page can serve multiple purposes. It's perfect for creating a template for other pages, testing new designs without affecting your live site, or even A/B testing if you're into detailed optimization for user experience or conversion rates. Remember, the duplicated page is entirely yours to customize. You can change text, swap out images, adjust layouts, or experiment with different calls to action without worrying about losing the original page's design or content. After you've duplicated the page, don't forget to save your changes. Depending on your version of the Godaddy editor, the Save or Publish button might be located in different areas, but it's generally visible and marked clearly. It's critical to save your work to ensure the duplicated page is stored and accessible within your website's architecture. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully duplicated a page on your Godaddy website. From here, the sky's the limit. You can continue to fine-tune your new page, replicate the duplication process for additional pages, or start exploring other tools and features within the Godaddy website editor to enhance your site further. Hopefully this guide has made the process of duplicating a page on your Godaddy website clear and straightforward. Remember, duplicating pages is a great way to expand your website efficiently while maintaining a cohesive look and feel across your site. So go ahead, give it a try, and see how it can help streamline your website development process. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials like this one.